So we want to do problem number 26 in the final review. Here's the problem. Here's the problem again. So I've taken this data and copied it into Excel. So we can use the data analysis for this. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the data tab and click on data analysis. If you don't have this turned on, you can turn it on. There are instructions in the getting started tab. So let's go ahead and click this. We want to do, what are we doing? We want to do regression. I'll go ahead and click OK. And then I got to select my input Y range and input X range. I'm assuming that X is going to be our ticket price and Y is going to be our, Y is going to be the attendance. So let's go ahead and select those here. This is my Y. It's already selected for me. So let's go ahead and put this down, and here's my X. And that's just this here. You could have labels, but I didn't highlight the labels here. The confidence interval, that's great. That's great. I don't actually need the residuals showing. I don't need a residual plot. I'll go ahead and put the line fit plot just for fun. Yeah, and I'll put my output range. I'll just select. That looks good. I'll just select that. It doesn't really matter how big it is. So if we hit OK, it tells us all of our output. It tells us familiar things like our R value and R squared. It tells us a bunch of other stuff, but what we want to know, what we're asking about here, is the p-value. So for the regression, we've got this p-value here, which is 0.005, right? You'd also see the p-value down here too. It's actually labeled p-value here, 0.005 here as well. So yeah, I think that was the only question. So that's the end of it. 0.005. All right, thanks.